Hi everyone, welcome to 11 Paz. So today we are working with the sequins and seed beads, as you can see in the video. Okay, so I just want to show you how to fix your embroidery hoop again, for those that don't know how to fix the embroidery hoop. Here is how you fix it. Make sure the fabric is firm, then put the screw tighter. As you can see, so we move to the next thing we want to do today. Like I do say in my previous video, I use size 11 needles or size 12, and I notch well at the end. So I'm starting. So you take your sequins. It's a cup-like sequin. It's like teacup, and it has different sides. So I put the upper side and a seed bead. Shift the seed bead to the back, then pass your needle to the middle of the sequins. You move to the next slide and continue all the way through. You can see that's what I do all through the previous designs you can see on the embroidery hoop. Needlework is a cool stuff if you are interested in learning simple creative stuff and patient enough. You have to be patient, no rush job. If you are rushing, there is likely to be a flop. So it's just better you patiently sit, get your materials, and do your work gently. Do your work gently to get good results. That is what I will say. This designer, you can do it at the hem of your gown or the sleeves or your Zara cap, or a turban or jalamian. Just be creative with it. So now I'm ending it and notching it at the end. You can see I snap it off and move. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and other social medias. Remember to notch. This is just a recap. Remember to notch, pass from beneath, take your sequins. You can see the side, the flat side. This, then you turn to the other side and pass your seed beads. Push it down. Then shift the seed bead and pass your needle to the middle of the sequins. That's all. Thank you. Love you.